Namaskar, welcome to new part. Direction for the following 3 items. Read the following 3 pages and answer the items that follow the pages. Your answer to these items should be based on the pages only. Pages 1. Scientists studied the vernal window, transition period from winter to growing season. They found that warmer winters with the less snow resulted in a longer lag time between spring events and a more protected vernal windows. These changes in the spring of the timetable has ecological, social and economic consequences for agriculture, fisheries and tourism. As the ice melts earlier, the birds don't return, causing a delay or lengthening in springtime ecological events. Question number 41. With reference to the above passages, following of the assumptions have been made. Global warming is causing the spring to come early and for longer duration. Early spring and longer period of spring is not good for bird population. Which of the above assumptions is correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2 only. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A, option 1 only. That is, global warming is causing of the spring to come early and for longer durations. Passage 2. A global analysis of nitrogen use efficiency. A measures of amount of nitrogen a plant takes into grow versus what is the left behind as pollution. Says that using too much fertilizers will lead to the increase in pollution of waterways and the air. Currently, the global average of the nitrogen used efficiency is approximately 0.4, meaning 40% of the total nitrogen added to the cropland goes into the harvested of the crop, while 60% is lost to the environment. Says a study, more than of the half of the world of the population is nourished by the food grown with the fertilizers of the containing the synthetic of the nitrogen, which is need to produce the high crop yield and the plants to take of the nitrogen. They need to grow and the excess is left in the ground, water and the air. This is result in significant emission of nitrous oxide, a potent greenhouse and ozone depleting gas and other forms of nitrogen pollution, including the eruption of lakes and rivers and contaminations of river. Which one of the following statement is the best reflect of the most of the logical, rational and crucial message to implied by the passage? And enhance the efficiency of use of nitrogen is imperative for the both food production and environment. Production of synthesis and nitrogen fertilizer cannot be stopped as it will be adversely affected global food security. Alternatives to crops that requires to excess of nitrogen should be identified and cultivated. Option D. Conventional agriculture using the synthetic fertilizer should be replaced with the agroforestry, agroecosystem and organic farming. Option number A is the correct answer. That is, and enhance the efficiency of use of nitrogen is imperative for the both food production and environment. Passage 3. Along with the sustainable lifestyle elements, justice is the regarding as a significant principle in environmental parallels. Both principles have bearing on political and economic choice of the nations. So far, in our climate change of the summits or compacts, both the principles have allotted consequences among the nations. Justice in the judicial sense is well defined. However, in the context of climate change, it was scientific as well as socio-political connotation. The crucial question in the next few years will be how resource, technologies and regulation are used to support with the victim of climate change. Justice in climatic is not of the confined to action relating to mitigation but includes the wider notions of the support for adaptation to climate change and compensation for the loss and damage. Question number 43 based on the above pages. Which of the following of the statement is the best reflect to the most logical, rational and crucial message conveyed by the passage? Option A. Climate justice should be ingrained in details in the rules of all the new climate compacts and agreement. Option B. Environmental resources are unevenly distributed and exploited across the globe. There is an impending issues of dealing with the huge number of climate changes of the victim of the climate refugee. Option D. Climate changes in all its connotations is mostly due to the developed countries and therefore their share of burden should be more. Answer is option number A. That is, climate justice should be ingrained in detail in the rules of all the new climate compacts and agreements. Question number 44. A principal P become Q in a 1 year when the compound half yearly with R% annual rate of interest. If the same principal P become the Q in 1 year when the compound annually with the S% of annual rate of interest, then which one of the following is correct? Option A, R is equal to S. Option B, R greater than S. Option C, R less than S. Option D, R less than equal to S. Answer is option number C, that is R less than S. Question number 45. How many natural numbers are there which give a remainder of 31 when 1186 is divided by these natural numbers? Option A 6, Option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. Answer is option number D, that is 9. Question number 46. Let PP, QQ and RR be two-digit number where P less than Q less than R. If PP plus QQ plus RR plus is equal to TT0, where TT0 is a three-digit number ending with 0, and consider the following statement. 1. The number of possible values of P is 5. The number of possible values of Q is 6. Which of the above statement is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option C, both 1 and 2 only. Question number 47. What the sum of all 4-digit number is less than 2000 formed by the digit of 1, 2, 3 and 4, where the none of the digit is replaced? Option A 7998, option B 8028, option C 8878, option D 9238. Answer is option number A, that is 7998. What is the number of selection of 10 consecutive things out of the 12 things in a circle taken in the clockwise direction? Option A 3, option B 11, option C 12, option D 66. Answer is option C 12. Question number 49. If today is Sunday, when which day is it exactly on 10 to the power 7th the day? Wednesday, B Thursday, option C Friday, option D Saturday. Answer is option A, Wednesday. Question number 50. There are 3 traffic signal. Each signal changes of the color from green to red and then from red to green. The first signal takes 25 seconds and the second signal takes 39 seconds, and then third signal takes 60 seconds to change the color from green to red, and the duration of the green and red of the colors are same. At 2 p.m. they together turn the green. At what time will they change to green next simultaneously? Option A 4 p.m, option B 4:10 p.m, option C 4:20 p.m, and option D 4:30 p.m. Answer is option B 4:10 p.m. Thank you.